pick up ya kwena nyanya kia batari. When the youth and the young people want to do modo for amutena, you have and we need lots of prayers. So you go one day, mashimangene.
Na nigetha tubote kuona ona ciana iria twina cio guku Kirinyaga matira misuse ni andu a siasa kana kunywa muno ni undu aingi ni maingirite thiini wa drugs na alcohol. Tubote kuona uria tungimateithia na nigetha tu uplift maisha mao.
We no nginya tukorwo tuthomithie youth itu nigu makorwo me busy coming to sports and art. Tubote ku promote drama, tubote ku promote whatever else that they can do. To music, so that they can have something to do.
Kinyitira andu aitu aria nini mabote tondu no mo maingi bururi uyu itu guku Kirinyaga mabote gukorwo na nafasi yao iria mengirutira wira na tumaigue na mabote kuthi na mbere nimo mengituika engine ya kindu tureta gucenjia kuthi na mbere.